out of Jurassic Park. I need to understand something. These boulders are positioned in such a way that they never fall down. What is this sorcery? What are these gravity-defying boulders? Okay, so I wanted to make things a little interesting and challenging for myself. तो मैंने एक बजट सेट किया है अगले 2 दिन के लिए, which is today and tomorrow that I'm here in Hampi. मैं बजट रख रही हूँ 1000 रुपीज़ का, एंड द रीज़न आई एम चूजिंग 1000 रुपीज़ एज माई बजट इज़ बिकॉज मुझे ट्रैवलिंग का तो पे करना है नहीं. ऑल्सो फॉर स्टेइंग आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी पेइंग बिकॉज हम कैरवान में ही रह रहे हैं, कैरवान में ही ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. बट दिस बजट इज बेसिकली सेट इफ आई वांट टू शॉप फॉर एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, और इफ आई एम ईटिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, और इफ आई एम डूइंग an activity that I want to indulge in, like a bouldering activity or taking a coracle ride or anything of that sort. These are the expenses that I would need to separately pay for. So keeping all of that in mind, let's see, 1000 rupees is my budget for the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, and let's see how that goes. I cannot wait to explore Hampi with you guys. Welcome to the second episode of the Hampi series. पहले एपिसोड में हमने आपको दिखाया कि हम बैंगलोर से हम्पी इस ब्यूटीफुल कैरावान में कैसे आए, and all about this caravan. In this second episode, we're going to be exploring Hampi together. और आज के दिन की शुरुआत हम करेंगे कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट से जो मैं बनाने वाली हूँ with all the kitchen utensils that these guys have given us in the caravan. So they basically give you the utensils and the stove, but they don't give you the product. So you have to go to the supermarket, buy them. And we just woke up some time back. मैं जाके कुछ अंडे और कुछ मैगी लेके आई हूँ. तो let's see. हमने एक ब्यूटीफुल स्पॉट पे हमारे कैरावान को पार्क किया है राइट बाय द लेक. आई शोड यू गाइस इन अ व्हाइल, बट लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद कुकिंग सम ब्रेकफास्ट. सेट इन मोशन. अभी मैं बस वेट कर रही हूँ ये मैगी कब बन जाए तो हम ब्रेकफास्ट खाएं. ये पता है मुझे बड़ी ऐसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाली फील्स दे रही है. दिस प्लेस इज जस्ट सो ब्यूटिफुल, एंड यू नो देयर इज अ डिफरेंट जॉय ऑफ लिटरली जस्ट लाइटिंग योर ओन फायर, कैंपिंग, और जस्ट पार्किंग योर व्हीकल इन सम ब्यूटिफुल स्पॉट लाइक दिस एंड मेकिंग समथिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ टू ईट. ब्रेकफास्ट तो हो चुका है और अभी मुझे कुछ बहुत ही लोकल करने का मन कर रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हेडेड टू द तुंगाभद्रा रिवर, वेयर वहीं जाके बताते हैं. सो वी आर वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स द तुंगाभद्रा रिवर. यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही लोकल बोट होती है जिसको कोरैकल कहते हैं, जो बास्केट जैसी दिखती है गोल. और दैट्स अ वेरी लोकल थिंग टू डू, यू नो, टू सिट इन द कोरैकल एंड टेक अ राइड अक्रॉस द तुंगाभद्रा रिवर. अब आधे लोग यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि वो बंद है फिलहाल, आधे लोग कह रहे हैं कि चालू है. सो वी आर वॉकिंग आवर वे टुवर्ड्स द रिवर टू फाइंड आउट वेदर इट्स स्टिल फंक्शन, एंड आई रियली होप इट इज़ बिकॉज आई वांट टू शो यू गाइज व्हाट दैट जर्नी इज़ लाइक. Here in my background as you can see, लेकिन फ़िलहाल यहाँ पे कोरैकल राइड्स लेना बंद है. We've asked a couple of locals around and they said कि राइड तो फ़िलहाल चालू नहीं है. They said that it might be on at another portion of the same river, of the Tungabhadra river. So we'll see, we'll figure out. अगर हमारा लक हुआ, अगर the कोरैकल boat rides are on, then we probably sit in it and I'll be able to show it to you guys. Otherwise, this is what a कोरैकल really side. I've done this once before, इसलिए मुझे पता है. So let's see. We'll try our hand at the other spot.
So I wanted to have some local Kannada food and I found this restaurant called the Green Garden Restaurant जहाँ हम आ चुके हैं एक local थाली enjoy करने.
Here, if you're looking to have the South Indian thali, and there's like a variety of things to choose from. So yeah, directly going to dig into my food. Rasam happens to be my favorite, so I'm going to start this meal with rasam. Nothing can compare to the South Indian food you get out here. And people in Bombay, they claim to have good South Indian food. I don't know how.
After a hearty lunch, we headed to the Hippie Island to find out what actually happened here.
Wondering मैं इस खंडर में क्यों खड़ी हूँ? Well, the minute people got to know कि मैं आई हूँ Hampi and I was filming a video on this place, everybody started asking me questions about Hippie Island, Hippie Island, Hippie Island. And this place was so happening. Even the last time I came here, Hippie Island was one of the most, touristy spots. It was a beautiful place to come to. There were shops, there were cafes lined up in this entire street, and everybody wanted to know कि इसकी demolition की खबर सच है या नहीं. So I decided to personally come down here to the Hippie Island because it's been in the news for quite some months now that it's been demolished. And you can see it right behind me. It's true, guys, the Hippie Island is completely being demolished. Some people out here say that it was built on illegal land. Some people say that only this area of the entire Hampi was getting in so much tourists that the other areas were just going unnoticed. So whatever may be the reason, I just wanted to show you guys that the Hippie Island is no more. It's really disappointing because it was really nice place. I even had a couple of favorite cafes out here to suggest to you guys, but it's there. It doesn't exist anymore. We'll take a drive further inside the Hippie Island and I'll show you what this place is.
Well, after a long day of exploring Hampi, we got back to our base camp to enjoy some Netflix and snuggling.
Okay, so we're going to call it a day now. I'm going to watch something on Netflix and then sleep and call it a day. But I'm going to see you guys tomorrow because it's our third day in Hampi and we have something very exciting planned. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. So it's yet another day in Hampi और हम यहाँ से फिलहाल निकल रहे हैं हमारा caravan लेके where we parked it last night and we're going to go find some local breakfast joints in and around here. But I also have something very exciting that I want to show you guys. I'll show it to you once we get there. So बहुत ज़्यादा दूर जाने की ज़रूरत luckily नहीं पड़ी. We remember I told you that Hidden Place is the name of the campsite that we had parked our caravan at. वहीं से बस बाहर निकल के ही हमने थोड़ा सा ड्राइव लिया, एक 1 minute drive, and we found Sri Lakshmi Narayan. We found this nice breakfast spot where we're going to have some local breakfast. Okay, so there are like a variety of breakfast options out here, but there was no way I was going to miss authentic South Indian breakfast. And I have some crispy dosa in front of me. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it crisp as well. The breakfast has been had. Remember, मैंने आपको सुबह बोला I'm taking you to a very exciting place today. So that's where I am. कल हमने बहुत कोशिश की एक कोरैकल बोट राइड ढूंढने की, बट वी कुडंट फाइंड एनी. दे वर सेइंग दैट दे आर नॉन ऑपरेशनल एंड सो ऑन. जहाँ पे यूजुअली होता है वहाँ पे इट वाज नॉट ऑपरेशनल. देयर इज़ अ तुंगाभद्रा रिवर राइट बिहाइंड विरूपक्षा टेम्पल जहाँ पे यूजुअली होता है. बट जैसे मैंने आपको कल दिखाया वो लोग नहीं कर रहे थे. बट टुडे वी फाउंड समबडी हु सेड दैट दे आर राइडिंग कोरैकल्स आउट हियर, एंड आई एम एट द सनापुर वाटरफॉल एरिया where there are a number of coracles, and these guys have offered to take us for a ride, so I'm pretty excited to show it to you guys. Let's go.
We wanted to spend the evening catching a beautiful sunset, so we headed to the Malyavanta Raghunatha temple, जहाँ पे एक great viewing point है.
So the whole advantage about being in Hampi is that you can enjoy some beautiful sunrises and some beautiful sunsets out here. और ऐसी एक जगह है, it's called as the Malyavanta Raghunatha temple. You can find it on Google easily. जहाँ पे आप एक beautiful sunset enjoy कर सकते हैं because it's at a very high elevated area. And you can find multiple spots out here to sit down and just watch the sun go down. Also sunset होने में काफ़ी सारा time है, but this place is so beautiful that we've just come. हम हमारे caravan से हमारा pillows and the camping chair वगैरह सब कुछ लेकर आए हैं, and we're just gonna sit here, spend some time, and then watch the sunset.
And then we decided to find a beautiful spot to set up a mini camp.
So like I told you guys, Three Wheels El Zorro is literally like driving on a home with wheels because यहाँ पे सब कुछ है. कल हमने cooking किया, but apart from that there are other things, like there are a lot of camping equipments, and we've just pitched our little tent over here, and now we're going to be spending some time. We found this beautiful spot, by the way. This is just a river. We found this river flowing out here, so we thought it was a quite nice spot to pitch our tent and sit and have some nice me time. Good morning, it's day 3 for us in Hampi, and it's time to bid our little caravan goodbye today. तो caravan तो वापस जा रहा है, but Hampi कहीं नहीं जा रहा है, हम अभी भी यहीं हैं. But after having spent 2 nights in a caravan, here's what I have to say about my experience on a scale from 0 to 10. But on the whole, एक caravan में travel करने का मेरा experience तो काफ़ी unique रहा, and this was literally like the first time I stayed in a caravan. You know, I didn't have a hotel and I was sleeping in the caravan. We camped there, and I think it was a very unique experience for me. It was something very new and different to try. And the best thing that I liked about Three Wheels is the fact that उन्होंने kilometers पे कोई भी restrictions नहीं लगाए. So if you book the trip with these guys, then you pay the base amount for the caravan per night, and that's it. You can take your caravan wherever you want with your driver. So if you guys liked this video, then stay tuned for episode 3 of Hampi, because I have something that's going to blow your mind. Don't forget to subscribe to Talk and Travel, hit a like button if you liked this video. Drop in any comments if you have any suggestions or just want to tell me a hi. See you guys in episode 3. तो ever since we've come to this resort, यहाँ हमारे रूम के सामने जो लेक है हमें बोला गया है कि इट्स क्वाइट डेंजरस हियर क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 बड़े क्रोकोडाइल्स हैं एंड वी बीन मीनिंग टू वॉच अ क्रोकोडाइल सिंस लाइक जब से हम हम्पी आए हैं एंड वी जस्ट वॉकड आउट ऑफ द रूम एंड लुक एट दैट.